Mamelodi Sundowns head coach Manqoba Mngqithi has confirmed that Ethiopian striker Abubeker Nasir has left Mamelodi Sundowns. Yeah, so he has joined SuperSport United on a 1-year contract. Yeah, so at first we thought that he has joined SuperSport United on a loan, but however, his contract with Mamelodi Sundowns has ended. And then he has joined SuperSport United. And remember, earlier in the off-season, former Mamelodi Sundowns head coach Rulani Mokoena indicated that Nasir was no longer a Mamelodi Sundowns player, but the player soon returned to training with the club. So we thought that Nasir is still with Mamelodi Sundowns. Yeah, but now Manqoba Mngqithi has confirmed that no, he's no longer a Mamelodi Sundowns player, and he has signed with SuperSport United. So let me hear your thoughts down below. What do you think of this move by Nasir to join SuperSport United?